In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to bulk import existing data into Monday.com. If you've ever found yourself manually entering data from a long list or spreadsheet, you know just how time-consuming that process can be, particularly when you're dealing with hundreds of entries. Thankfully, Monday.com provides an efficient way to streamline this task with their bulk import function. Today, I'll walk you through the simple steps to import your data quickly and efficiently, whether you're working with an existing board or starting fresh with a new one. To begin, let's navigate to the board where you'd like to import your data. If you're creating a new board, go ahead and set it up. But if you're adding to an existing board, simply navigate there directly. Now, you'll want to locate the drop-down icon next to the New Task button. This little drop-down menu is where the magic starts. Click on it, and you'll see an option to import tasks. Select this option to begin the process. Once you've clicked Import Tasks, a new window will appear, ready to help you bring in your data. It's as easy as drag and drop, so take your Excel or CSV file and simply drag it into the designated area. If your file is in another location, you can also click to browse and select the correct file manually. Once your file is in place, click Next to continue the import process. Now, this is where you align your data with your Monday.com board. You'll be guided through a process where you select each column in your imported file and assign it to a corresponding column on your board. This ensures your data lands in the right spots and maintains the structural integrity of your information. Matching columns accurately is crucial here, so take a moment to double-check that everything corresponds correctly. This step could save you time cleaning up errors later on. Once every column is aligned to your satisfaction, click Next one final time, and like magic, your data will be imported into Monday.com. And there you have it. With just a few clicks and a little bit of alignment, you've taken a potentially long and painstaking task and condensed it into a quick and simple import process. Using this method not only saves you time, but also significantly reduces the potential for manual entry errors. Plus, it keeps you and your team focused on what really matters, moving projects forward efficiently and effectively. We hope this guide makes your Monday.com experience even more productive and seamless. If you found this tutorial helpful, be sure to stick around for more tips and tricks on how to optimize your workflow with Monday.com. Thanks for tuning in, and as always, happy organizing.